Hey everyone, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and welcome to today's tip of the day. Today's tip of the day, I want to share with you how you can best manage inflammation using different strategies. Right? A lot of times when I have patients in the clinic, it's not uncommon that their problem is caused by inflammation. Either it's an injury or after surgery. Let's say, for example, after a knee replacement. I see a lot of that in the clinic, or even if it's after ACL repairs, after rotator cuff surgeries, all these things, or even if you just sprained your ankle or you just pulled your back. All of them will have inflammation involved in the body, right? So how do what's the best way to get that inflammation down? So I will share with you some of the top tips that I give to my patients to help control that inflammation. All right. So first is, well, if you have inflammation, you don't want to push it too much. You don't want to overdo it. You don't want to use it too much, right? So resting is important. Now, depending on the type of injury or your surgery, I'm not saying to rest and totally not do anything. It has to be relative rest, because sometimes you have to move to actually be better, because a prolonged immobilization, the effects of that is not very good. Okay, so you want to do relative rest, meaning cut down on your activities that you're not going to trigger more inflammation. Second is the very popular, you have to ice, because ice or cold will get that inflammation down. So icing is very important. So depending on your part, almost any part of your body, you'll be able to ice. Let's say for your knees, knee replacement or knee surgery, or knee sprain, you can just wrap the ice pack around your knee. Even if it's in your back, you'll be able to go on your stomach, put the cold pack on the back, right? Shoulders, you can just drape it here. So almost any part of your body, you will be able to use ice. Okay, so that's a second tip. So I want you to use ice on that area to get that inflammation down. Right. Now, the third one will be, usually when you have inflammation, you're gonna have swelling also. So elevating the leg will help get that swelling down. So it will help get that inflammation down as well. All right. So I want you to elevate the leg, so that way, or elevate the arm, so that way that can help. If it's the back, okay, you won't be able to do that, but if it's in the extremities, you'll be able to do it. Okay. And the fourth one is, a lot of times they forget, like people forget this. They resort to, people always resort to, oh, what's the anti-inflammatory, right? Tylenol, Advil, they have Celebrex, Meloxicam, diclofenac, all these things, right? But a lot of times people are forgetting that there's a natural anti-inflammatory, and I like recommending this. What is this? Is turmeric. Turmeric is a very potent natural anti-inflammatory. So instead of taking all those drugs that can help decrease inflammation, try taking turmeric, because there's no side effects. It's natural. Yes, if you're taking it like in a spoon or something, for me, the taste is not. I'm not very. I'm not too fond of the taste, so I do understand that it has a strong taste. So what I recommend is you put it in a capsule, you swallow it, and that you won't be able to taste it anymore, right? So for me, that's the best way to take it. But if you take the turmeric, that will help your body heal, get that inflammation down, and it's all natural. Okay, so I want you to, if you're having some inflammation, I want you to combine all those. I want you to combine that rest, the relative rest. I want you to combine that with the icing, like let's say 2-3 times a day, depending on the severity of the problem. You elevate the extremity if possible, and then also I want you to take turmeric, because that will help you get that inflammation down a lot faster. If you combine all of them, you will actually get better results. All right, so I want you to try those. I want to try those 4 things. I mean, if you try one, yes, it's better than nothing, or 2, better than 1. But you know what? You will have less results. If you put all of them together, you'll have better results. better effect on getting that inflammation down. All right, so I want you to try that. I would love to know what you think. Leave them in the comments below. And if you know anyone who is suffering from inflammation, it can be even if it's systemic, general, or if they have an injury or post-surgery, I want you to share this with them so that you can help get them healing faster, get that inflammation down faster. All right, and let me know what topics you want me to discuss so that I can help you get healthy and pain-free. And by sharing this video with them, you can help them with their pain, and you can help transform other people's lives as well. Right? But I would love to know what you think about this. You can email us, DM us, even any different means. We will be able to get that message. I would love to know. All right, so I will see you on the next video.